This is a review of the Cutluxe knife set. That is a set of 15 that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to, pretty much unbox this, show you guys what you get inside this package. And from there, show you guys all the 15 sets of these knives. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so before I unbox this, I do want to say that the quality of this box itself looks really amazing. I love how well they packaged it. And not just that, but it also has a handlebar right over here. So yeah, let me go unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so I got everything out of the package, and I do want to say that the quality of this product is really high quality. And the reason why I say so is because the block itself looks absolutely beautiful. I love the color texture of this wood grain material, and it really is high quality. And I do want to say that not only that, but it also has a good weight to it as well too. So it feels very nice and sturdy and has a good weight to it. So you could see just from here, this is an extremely high quality product, and it's built very nice, and it's, like pretty much like to build to last as well too. And you can see here the Cutluxe logo right over here looks absolutely beautiful as well too. Then you can see here the 15-piece slots right over here. So pretty much you put all of your chef knives right over there, which I'll show you guys a different series of chef knives that they offer. Then it comes with a scissors, a pair of scissors, and also pretty much it includes a rod as well too, which I'll show you guys that as well too. But just by looking at that, and then right here you can see how beautiful it's packaged up. Really is a high quality product. And I'm gonna now pull all these knives out and show you guys pretty much all of them on, and show you guys the sizes and the names of all of these knives. Okay, so I got all the knives out of the display, and I'm going to explain to you guys each and every single purpose behind all of these knives. So starting up right over here, this is a 4-inch paring knife that's pretty much used for your light and every single day moderate work. If you're doing any light fruits and vegetables, then you use that for that. Then coming right over here, we get a set of 6x5-inch serrated steak knives. So pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of these, the same duplicates one. You can see they all look the same, and you can use this for your every single day activities too. And you can see how high quality these knives are. Really sharp. The edges are extremely sharp, so you can know that these will cut very well once you start cutting. Extremely sharp. Then coming right over here, then we get a set of 5.5-inch utility knife. So it comes here, a standard knife, but you could see that it is also sharp as well too. And I do want to say all these knives, the quality of them is really beautiful, stainless steel quality. Then coming right over here, you can see this one is a heavy duty one, and this one right over here is your 7-inch Santuka knife, and this one is extremely sharp. Pretty much if you're gonna be doing Thanksgiving party night outs, then this is probably something that you would want to be using. You can see it says the Cutluxe, the stainless steel quality on this looks really amazing too. And you can see, and you could tell how sharp this knife is just by this one alone. It could cut a turkey, and it's really sharp just by looking at it. It's probably one of the most sharpest ones right here to yet. But coming right over here, after that we get a 8 inches bread knife that is right here. So you could use this for cutting, cutting like bread and something like that. But you can see the edges on this one is extremely sharp as well too. And now coming to this one right over here, we get the 8 inches carving knife. So this one right over here is also the same thing like this one too. So it's nothing much different other than this one has the sharper edges on the side. This too you can use for your cutting for pretty much like meats and anything like heavy duty, then you can use it for that. Then right over here, we get another 8 inches carving knife right over here. So you can see this is extremely sharp as well too, just like the one I showed you guys, the one right over here. If you're going to be doing some Thanksgiving and cutting like that, that as you guys know the holiday is coming, then you would want to be using this one. Extremely sharp and 100% stainless steel quality. Last but not least, we get a pair of scissors. But just by looking at these scissors, you can see the edges on these scissors are really sharp, and it's not any like if your ordinary scissors. So you can see it's really high quality standards and really is a sharp scissors. Then last but not least, this thing right over here is your it's called a honing rod. So that's pretty much used for kitchen shears and anything like that. So you would want to be using it for that. But other than that, the quality of these knives are extremely amazing, high quality stainless steel product. And now I'm gonna pretty much put these on the block, to the 15-piece block, and show you guys how it looks like when it's on the block. Okay, so these are all the knives, and you can see I have it in the 15 piece block set. All of them are in there, and I do want to say they are absolutely beautiful. It looks beautiful once everything is, inside and done, whenever you're not using it. And I one thing I do want to say is that not only that, but if you have it in your kitchen or your countertop, one thing I do love for the fact is that it also does not move anywhere either. So you can see it's, as I'm moving, it's not moving anywhere. It's not like slipping out or like falling down or anything like that. It's very nice and sturdy. You can see it's, built with high quality, pretty much everything. And then if I try to push it very hard, then it does move like that. But really, it's not going to slip or fall or anything like that in your kitchen. And not only that, but it just looks, the wood grain material used on this is absolutely beautiful. You can see here, extremely high quality product. This is by far probably one of the best, block set knives that I ever got. And I do want to say that, Cutluxe really made a beautiful product, especially for these knives. Everything is well organized. It's really high quality. The block itself is, what amazed me too. Really high quality wood grain material used for it as well too. The stainless steel quality is also, even on the edges, is absolutely beautiful too. The knives themselves, like I showed you guys, is really high quality as well too. I would definitely recommend the Cutluxe 15-piece knife block set. And, if you're going to be doing, Thanksgiving, cutting, turkey, doing some sharp things like cutting meat, anything like that, any heavy duty stuff like that, then, this is by far one of the best products to get just, for all that stuff. And I would definitely recommend it because it's ultra sharp knives that it comes with, and the pretty much the material used on for the wood grain is also a Acacia Wood Block. So that's the color texture for this. And yeah, I absolutely am happy with this product and would definitely recommend the Cutluxe 15-piece knife block set to anyone wanting to pretty much do, good cutting for your, turkey, any heavy duty stuff. Then this is, the best thing you could get.